Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily do the cutout stroke in the ShotCut app. So the first thing that you need to do is open the video or photo to the ShotCut app, and then here click on the photo and first remove the background. So click on cutout, click on the remove background and wait for the ShotCut to remove the background of your photo or video. Okay, so after it has been cut out, click on the cut out stroke and then select the color. I'm going to go with pink one. For example, adjust the size and also the opacity. After that, click on the check icon and you are done. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.